Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another Hubrex Pyrotechnics video. And in today's video, we're going to be demoing off this premium Happy Planet cake by Winda Fireworks. This is a 36-shot cake. The effects are, let's see, red, green, pearls, and crackles. So this is a good, nice, small caliber cake with, they're not very long burning waterfall effects, but they're still pretty nice. I guess you could call it a sky mine. So let's get to the demo. Here we go, guys. Winda Premium Happy Planet in 3, 2, 1. Well, there you go, guys. We had the Winda Premium Happy Planet. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back next week for another video.